Hello friend, in this video we are going to learn how to set up penetration testing lab. Okay, and for that we are going to use Docker inside the Kali Linux machine. First of all, log in with the user Kali. Once you log in your Kali Linux machine, open the terminal, go to the terminal, and then I will show you a stepwise how to download and set up penetration testing lab using Docker bWAPP, that is known as buggy web application, everything. So first of all, shift from here as a root user. Once you log in as a root user, clear the screen and then go to github.com to download the software. So I run the command git clone https github.com. Okay, so you have to type the github.com. Then you have to give the name as I mentioned in the on the screen. You can see. So pentestlab.git, this is the repository we want to download. So just download it. Run ls command to check. You can see here pentest lab. Okay. So if you can see that, it means we have successfully downloaded. Now it's time to install the Docker. Then apt press Y and it will download and install Docker inside your system depending on your internet speed. If you have a good internet speed, it will take less time. Just and you can see within within a minute after downloaded as well as installed. Okay. Now once it has been downloaded, you can run any application. For example, I want to run the buggy web application. Okay. So deliberately there are some web application where there are some bugs. Okay. For tester to find out the bug. Now how to set up that buggy web application? You can simply type pentest lab, go to the cd pentest lab ls. You can see pentestlab.sh. Okay. Now what you need to do, just type /pentestlab.sh, then start suppose bWAPP. Okay. So this is the buggy web application. Just wait, it's downloading. Okay. Once downloaded, you can open this. You can see on this link. The link has been mentioned. You can see the by default username and password is b, password is bug. Okay. Now you can just copy this link and open in browser. Okay. So open link. So I just click on open link. So you can see connection unknown database bWAPP. So what you need to do, you need to run a specific command, that is pentest lab start public. Okay. Default username, everything mentioned here, and you can see this is the link. So I just open this link, click on open link, and you see this one bWAPP and extremely buggy web application. You can see there is an installation option. Click here to install bWAPP. Click here and you can see bWAPP has been installed successfully. It means on this machine we have successfully installed buggy web application. In this application you will find a lot of vulnerable web application, and if you want to test, if you want to learn the pentester testing for web application, you need this buggy web application software platform where you can find different types of bugs using your Kali Linux tool. Now, if you want to stop this, there is a command to stop it. So let me go with the root user, and then once I go here, I will just type the password, and then I will just go inside cd pentest lab, and here I will just type dot pentestlab.sh dash dash, actually not dash dash, just stop bWAPP. Okay, spelling mistake, bWAPP. Okay, and you can see stopping bWAPP, docker stop bWAPP. It means buggy web application has been successfully stopped. So in this way, you can deploy and remove the buggy web application tool inside your system for web application penetration testing. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching.